How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this beautiful BMW M2 competition that is here for a paint correction and a full ceramic coating done to it. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and if you have any comments or you want to ask any questions or any of the procedures that I do here, comment down below. Let me know what you think or ask any questions. So guys, just like always, let's get detailing. To give you a little background about this BMW, the customer bought it recently and had a ceramic coating, but decided to wash the car himself, but used a little bit wrong methods, and the swirl marks and scratches were back onto the paint. So I'm here to remove all the swirl marks and the scratches. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and you like detailing content or you like to learn how to ceramic coat, paint correction, make sure to like and comment, ask me any questions. Make sure to hit the bell icon as well, so any future uploads you are notified. Improper wash methods can bring swirl marks and scratches back onto your paint or even your ceramic coated car. So if you want to learn how to do a maintenance wash on your own ceramic coated vehicle or just your regular car, there's a link over here on the right hand corner of the screen on top. Make sure to check out that video. I show step by step how to do maintenance wash, and I will link that video at the end of this video, or after you're watching this, the video will be at the end screen and you can click on the link and watch that video as well. Temperature plays a very big role when applying ceramic coating onto the vehicles. Now, if this was in the summertime, I will be applying in 2x2 sections. Now, this day when I was applying the ceramic coating, it was between 50 to 60 degrees. So I was able to coat half of the hood at one time and have enough time to go back and buff off and level off that coating because the flash time was enough. But if this was in the summertime, the flash time increases, so it's best to do 2x2 sections when the humidity and the temperature is higher. Now this temperature dropped to 21 degrees overnight, and the next day When I pulled the car out to take some pictures, my fingers nearly fell off. And guys, CarPro coating is a little bit harder to level off in my opinion, and I've used this coating a few times and always have some issues when there are high spots. So make sure whenever you're applying ceramic coating to watch the temperature and see how you are comfortable covering how much area at one time.